EHS officer and plant head discussing about safety concern in the plant. Both receive alert notification on WhatsApp with incident image. EHS officer and plant head get worried and stressed. Many safety violations happening without any real-time visibility. Manual safety monitoring brings Plant head comes with smart AI-based safety solution offered by Technohertz. Presentation on AI-based safety monitoring by Technohertz. AI monitors every individual automatically through existing CCTV, detects safety violations, instant alerts / action and reporting. Get it implemented. EHS officer gets bird's eye view of the safety being followed in the plant. Multiple CCTV is installed across the plant, are all detecting safety violations in real time. EHS officer gets instant notification about safety violation. Worker starts fire-related work without wearing safety glasses. He realizes CCTV is watching monitoring and wears safety glasses immediately. AI camera detects no safety violations. When there is a violation, it is logged into system and reported automatically. Advanced heat map analytics provides clear visibility into high-risk and safe operational zones. CEO gets complete visibility of the plant safety performance.